If you own stock in Tesla, what do you think the company will accomplish in the future? Since Musk's recent problems, most professionals are unable to understand Elon Musk's management style. The price of Tesla shares has been wildly erratic. Though I'll tell you what, according to Cathie Wood, take into consideration this information as crucial before making any decisions on the stock in this video. For those of us who think Tesla has huge value and amazing long-term possibilities, it might be waiting for us. When we talk about great investors, people like Ron Barron and Warren Buffett are frequently brought up. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons before we go there. Cathie Wood, a founder, CEO, and Chief Investment Officer of ARK Investment Management, is another name that has gained attention recently. In the realm of stock investment, Cathie Wood is renowned for being a creative trailblazer, especially in relation to disruptive technology. Although Cathie Wood has been in the investment business for about 40 years, she didn't start to become well known until 2020, when her ARK Innovation Fund returned around 150%. This helped to strengthen her reputation as a tech and innovation investor. What else can we say about Cathie? Well, she formed the ARK Investment Asset Management firm, which is well known for its progressive investments in cutting-edge fields including robotics, genomics, AI, blockchain technology, and green energy, all of which are areas where the wagers have been invested. She has a reputation for making audacious forecasts about the future, and she supports both Bitcoin and the notion that Tesla is currently trading at a discount. The substance has become well known among investors since it is estimated to be worth $3 trillion in the future. For the years 2017 to 2021, Forbes names her a 50 over 50 power woman. In the same year, Bloomberg and Fortune honored her, and she gave a speech at the World Economic Forum. She was at the forum as well. Cathie Wood's estimated net worth at the beginning of 2018 was $250 million, while ARK Investment's assets were valued at more than $60 billion. What could be the explanation for Cathie's strong attachment to Tesla? A thematic investment approach is used by ARK Investment and others in place of concentrating on specific companies or industries or attempting to turn a profit quickly. To decide where to invest money to get the best long-term returns, a thematic investor considers the larger picture. Thematic investors seek out concepts that have the capacity to change the world in two ways, regardless of how developed the underlying technology is. Tesla is the ideal candidate for this group. To start with, the company constantly creates cutting-edge products and technology in order to be ready for the future. ARK Investment looks for companies that can offer steady support and have a range of capitalizations, geographical locations, and other attributes. As a result, a large number of Woodstock's suggestions and the companies she invests in for ARK funds are those that are creating and implementing cutting-edge methods and technology. Wood's personal favorite is genomics, but he also likes AI and DNA sequencing. Among Tesla's many features are 3D printing, automatic driving, and the ability to store electricity for robots and details for blockchain functioning. The Cathie Wood's ARK Innovation Fund provides funding to companies who are leading the way in technical innovation. This covers a wide range of topics, including blockchain, robotics, software engineering automation, and autonomous cars. For investors who are interested in blockchain-related companies, artificial intelligence, wireless technology, and computer security, the ARK Next Generation Internet ETF is a fantastic choice. The ARK Autonomous Tech and Robots Exchange Traded Fund focuses on the autonomous car market, robots, energy storage, space exploration, and 3D printing. The company's three funds were allowed to raise their stakes in Tesla after the stock price on Wall Street recently declined. Members saw the purchase of 27,594 shares by ARK Innovations ETF throughout the second weekend. The Next Generation Internet ETF purchased 2,909 shares, while the Autonomous Technology and Robots CTF purchased 9,173 shares. The companies involved in stem cell research, plant biology, and particular therapeutics comprise the bioinformatics sector of the state-of-the-art Genome Revolution ETF. Lastly, businesses engaged in various facets of space exploration, such as aerospace, are targets for the ARK ETF for fintech innovation, which offers simple access to capital through blockchain technology modifications to the risk assessment and funding processes for seasonal user-specific platforms. Manufacturers and inventors of orbital and suborbital spacecraft, as well as related. Increase investor transparency in that analysis. The business has lowered its expectations for autonomous driving on hills, and it projects future capital efficiency in terms of cost and return through the year 2026, using its analysis of Tesla's performance for the 2022 model results. By 2026, Tesla plans to sell its vehicles for $4,600 according to ARC. However, based on data that Tesla has accumulated, there is a 25% chance that, in the event that things go badly, the shares will be worth $2,900 in 2026, and if things go well, they might be worth $5,800. ARC reports that a favorable development has occurred at Tesla, where the cost of capital per additional unit of capacity has dropped from $84,000 to $71,100. Tesla currently projects that it will only spend $2,000 to $7,000 in 2026, compared to $6,000 to $8,000 for each additional unit of capacity in 2025. Remember that the August stock split happened following the release of according to our estimations in this research study. Tesla's share price was around $891 over that period. The robotaxi segment is expected to generate more than half of Tesla's EBITDA and 62% of the company's enterprise value between 2018 and 2026. According to anticipated sales volumes, electric cars would account for 57% of Tesla's revenue in 2026, while robot taxis would bring in 34%. If 10 million units are sold in 2026, the company will have a market worth of $3.3 trillion, a share price of $2,900, and revenue of $372 billion. There is a 24 compound annual growth rate. If the company sold 17 million units in 2026, it would generate $513 billion in revenue, a market value of $6.7 trillion, and a share price of $5,800. It is well known that Cathie Wood is a devoted and steadfast supporter of Tesla. Investment firms such as ARK Investment have conducted a thorough analysis of the corporation's stocks or bonds. The status of the stock market and the economy are also taken into account, and analysts and investors are still closely monitoring Tesla shares. When it comes to electric vehicles, investors are still keen to purchase Tesla stock despite its unstable pricing. ARK Investment's confidence suggests that Tesla will continue to hold a commanding market share, particularly if it is the first company to successfully introduce autonomous vehicles onto American roads. Cathie Wood says, "We are beginning to believe that by 2026, Tesla will hold not only the largest share of the electric car market, but also 20 to 25% of the overall car market." It said that Tesla's production process is the envy of its primary competitors. Distinguished companies such as the Volkswagen Group have declared in the open that Tesla is lower costs and better profits are the result of the industry standard, which is a more efficient production process. As of the third quarter of 2022, Tesla had the greatest gross profit margin of any carmaker at 27.9%. In addition, Tesla is a leader in the field of developing software for driverless cars, a market that by 2030 is expected to be worth over $2.1 trillion. With the launch of its fully autonomous robotaxi in 2024, the corporation will have an opportunity to take the lead in the industry again. It might take years for other automakers to catch up with this technology due to a lack of real-world data. Tesla is finding it difficult to keep up with its annual Tesla AI Day presentation because to the tremendous demand for its other businesses, which include home solar power generating and storage. The business revealed developments on a system that might revolutionize the robotaxi sector. There have been rumors that Tesla's model will function without human intervention, which might drastically change the transportation industry and make logistical firms obsolete. It's too early to determine if Cathie Wood's predictions regarding Tesla are accurate or not. We are aware that investors seem to believe in Cathie Wood's forecasts and that ARK Investment is making a large bet on Tesla's future. If you want to be completely astounded by more content regarding Tesla stock, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. We appreciate your time and we'll see you in the upcoming video.